Okay, so this time we will do this question. Insert interval. Yes. So this is a medium level of question, and let's see what is written here. You are given an array of non-overlapping intervals where interval of I. So interval is a 2D array. Okay, interval is a 2D array in which, see, I'm telling you, in which there are it is a 2D array which comprises all the intervals. Interval means every interval has some starting point and an end point. Okay, so this interval has some starting point, that is 1, and ending point is 3. Again, this interval has starting point 6 and its ending point is 3. So, and we are given also a new interval. Okay, so we are also given a new interval which also in every interval means starting comma end. Okay, this is interval. So this new interval is 2 comma 5. So let's see now what is written here. So represent the start and end of ith interval. Okay, very good. And intervals is sorted in ascending order. So they have done our, I would say, 20% task, because now our task is easier, because now we don't need to sort it. So that has reduced our time complexity. So because if the array is not sorted, we have to sort it first for inserting interval, because you are also given an interval, new interval. Okay, so as I said, new interval is also given to us, that represents start and end of interval means start and end. So insert new interval in intervals such that interval is still sorted. So we have to insert that new interval into this old interval array such that this interval array is still sorted. Okay, by start of I and interval still does not have any overlapping interval, and no overlapping interval should be present in that interval array. So that is our task. Return interval after the insertion. Note that you don't need to modify intervals in place. So we don't need to modify. We don't need to change interval in place. We can make a new array. This line, basically this line means we can make a new array and append our answer into that array or push our answer into that array. Okay, so very easy task. But see this question, if you see this question, uh, if you try 2 or 3 times, this is easy question. But the major thing which is tough here is how are you handling the edge cases. Handling edge case in this question is tough, so I will tell you that, don't worry. So I'm making a TL draw section, TL draw. This time I haven't opened it before making this video, so okay, I have made it. So now I'm copying this input and output array. I will tell you, don't worry. And okay, so I'm clearing everything. Yes. So now I'm pasting this. Okay, this interval array and new interval. This is new interval and this is our output. So I'm doing something like this: green color or yellow color. Yellow color is good. Okay, so this is our interval array. Let me make it in this page only. Yes. So this is our interval array. So I am making a line. Okay. I am making a line which will represent my interval array. Okay. This line will represent my interval array. And in this line, I will write 1 to 9. Numbers from 1 to 9. Okay. 1, comma 2, comma 8. 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, and let's write 10 also, because we have some space left with us. Yes. So these are my numbers. And this is just a number line. Okay, nothing else. So we have made a number line. Now I will draw some intervals. So our first interval is 1 to 3. Okay. So let's draw it 1 to 3. And our second interval is 6 to 9. Let's draw it again. 6 to 9. Oh, shall I change color? Okay, now I'll change the color. So first interval is this, second interval, and our new interval is 2 to 5. Wait, 2 to 5. This is our, this interval we need to merge it. Okay, we need to insert it basically. So 2 to 5 is here. 2 to 5 is here. So if we insert this interval into this old intervals array, so what should be our output? So these both should become a new interval like this, 1 to 5. See, 1 to 5 is a new interval. Okay, and 6 to 9 will remain same, because nothing is intersecting with that. Okay, oh, this nothing part of this 2 comma 5 is intersecting with 6 comma 9. See, 2 comma 5, this is not intersecting with 6 comma 9, so 6 comma 9 will remain same, but this is intersecting with 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3 will expand, and it will expand like this. So its window will become like this. Okay. And let me take another example from this example only, because this is a good example. Yes, real. So I am pasting it here. Okay. And this time, let's say purple line. Okay. So, and I'm taking this blue, and I am modifying this array of intervals. And what I will do, I will do something like this: 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5, and let's take it 6 comma 9 only. And this new interval array should be 1 comma 2. Yes, 1 comma 2. Yes. So what should be our output? Can you guess it? So our output should be 1 2 3 5 6 9. Yes. So 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 5, 6 comma 9. So this will be our output. So I'm making another line of my input array. Okay, and I'm copying all those numbers. Okay, I'm pasting them here. Wait, let me take them here. Okay, so see, now our interval array is 3 comma 5 and 6 comma 9. Yes, so 3 comma 5 is here. Yes, and 6 comma 9 is here. Yes, we are doing it right. Now new interval is from 1 to 2. New interval is this only. So see, this new interval is not colliding with any of our previous interval. uh, I'm changing color of this new interval with yellow. This is our new interval, and these were our older intervals. Okay, these are our older intervals. So this new interval is not intersecting with any of these. So our new array will look like something like this: 1 2 3 5 and 6 9. See, 1 2 3 5 6 9. That's it. And if that interval is out, suppose our interval was 9 to 10, so, or 10 to 11, so it would be here, and it would be also in our new our result array. Okay, so that's what I want to say. So now how to do it, and how to check if your interval is intersecting with any of interval, how to check it. So for that checking, I'm taking another small example. Suppose I have this for check that your interval is intersecting or not. So 1 comma 3, or for intersecting, we are taking this example because this is a good example. If you want to check that your intervals are intersecting, take this example. You will understand it very much clearly. Okay, so first, let me take it here. So this is our new interval. I hope you can see it very clearly. And this is our new interval array. Okay. So so I'm making this. So see, our new interval is this. Yes, 4 comma 8. I'm making my new interval 4 comma 8, and I am, see what I will do here. I am pointing it starting with S2 and it's ending with E2. Okay, I'm pointing it starting with S2 and its ending is E2. So these are my some conventions. You can also take these convention. Okay, so its starting is S2 and its ending in is E2. And starting off like this only. I'm copying this, Control D. Yes, so S1 and E1. Starting of this array is S1 and E1. Each level starting of this array is S1 and E1 only. So to check, are these intersecting? We will just check this S2 will greater than E1. If S2 is greater than E1, S2 greater than E1 means no intersection. Means no intersection. Yes, I hope I have written the right spelling. If S2 is greater than E1 means no intersection. Yes, I'm taking it here. So S2 greater than S2 greater than, okay, S2 greater than E1 means no intersection, because if our ending is S2 is the starting of new interval. If it is greater than ending of its previous interval means it is lying out of that interval. Okay, hope you can understand my words. So if this happens, we will move S1 and E1. Again, S2 is greater than E1, 4 is greater than 5. Oh, not, wait. Now this is intersecting. Now this is intersecting. So if they are intersecting, we will take minimum of S1 and S2. We will take minimum of S1 and S2. Which is the minimum of S1 and S2? S1 is the minimum, yes, 3. So we will take. And now we will take maximum of E1 and E2. That is 8. So now our interval is has become this. Okay, now we will move this. Again this interval is also intersecting. Why? Because see, s2 is not greater than e1. Okay, so now see, okay, let me tell you more clearly now. So see, our s2 was greater than e1 or less than e1. So this time, see, if s2 is greater than e1, listen my words, if s2 is greater than e1 means no intersection, but if s2 is less than e1 means intersection. So if s2 is less than equal to e1, s2 less than equal to e1 means intersection. Yes, inter, yes, sections. Okay, so if this happens, s2 is less than e1. See, s2 is less than 5, 4 is less than 5 means intersection, 4 is less than 7 means intersection. But here it is a twist. What twist is that? So we have found our intersection point by this condition. If the opposite of this s2 greater than e1 happens, means we have found the intersection. So this line will stop here. Okay, and we have found that, okay, this is our first intersection point. Now we don't know how many intersections we have. So now what will I do? I will go till I will found the intersection. So to found where are my intersection ending, we will apply this condition. E2, okay, E2 greater than equal to S1. Okay, this is our second condition. This we also need to check. Now why I am writing this? E2 less than equal, greater than equal to E1. Okay, less or less than equal to, I think. Yes, less than equal to is good. Why? Because see, E1, S1. Okay, starting of 1. Yes, yes, yes. Greater than is fine. Greater than is fine. Sorry, my bad. So if E2 is greater than equal to E1, what is E1? E1 is this 5. Okay, E1 is this 5 and E2 is this 8. E2 greater than, E2 is greater than, 8 is greater than 5. Means yes, this is our first intersection window. Now we will come here. Okay, this S1 and E1 will also come here. So explaining this question is quite tough. So now we'll come here. Now again check, E2 is greater than E1. Yes, E2 is greater than S1. S1 starting. E2 is greater than 6. Yes, it is greater than 6. Now we will come here. We will check. E2 is greater than equal to 8. Yes, it is equal to it, not greater than. So again, this condition is satisfied. Now we have 12 comma 6. E2 is greater than. E2 is greater than E1. No. S1. E2 is greater than equal to S1. No. So means this window is not intersecting. So these three windows are intersecting. All these three windows are intersecting. So what we will take? We will take minimum of these window and maximum of this window. So our new interval become 3 comma 10. So our new interval will become 3. When I will write code, everything will be clear. 3 comma 10. This is our new interval, and we will append this interval into our answer. So see, this answer is 1 comma 2, 3 comma 10. 1 comma 2 is not intersecting with anyone. 3 comma 10 is there, and then 12 comma 16. So enough of explanation. Now I'm going to write code because it will take some time to understand this question. If you cannot, watch it again. Vector, vector of vector. This is a result int. Why I'm writing this vector of vector? See, result is an array of array, means it is an 2D array. So it is vector of vector. That's why. Its name is result. Yes. So okay, we are going good here. Now what I will do? I will start int I is equals to 0. Yes, perfect. While wait, while okay, while my keyboard is stuck somewhere. So if I less than arr dot size, so I think we have intervals array. Okay, so I'm changing this interval to arr. Okay, arr because it's short to write. Arr dot size, and one more condition. What that condition is? First condition, to find no intersection. We'll do this question in three parts. First we will find till where intersections are not happening. So s2 is what? S2 is this new intersection, new interval of 1. Okay, if a new interval of 1, is this S2? No. New interval of 0. Yes, this is S2. 4 is S2. So new interval of 0 is greater than. Yes, greater than is the condition. Yes, E1. E1 is what? ARR of I of Z1. Yes, E1 is this. Okay, So till s2 is here, I plus plus, and before doing this I plus plus, we need to do one thing. Result dot push back. You need to write like this in CPP. So result dot push back arr of I. Very easy, simple. Yes, and we will do I plus plus. So as I said, handling edge case for this question is quite tough. Otherwise, this question is not even tough. So again, we will write something like this. So now we have pushed. See, if I take this example, we have pushed this 1 comma 2 because it was not intersecting with anything. In our result array, we have 1 comma 2 only. But our while loop stopped here. Okay, it stopped here, and now I will write arr dot size again. Again, we will run a while loop and new interval well of see, now I will check that ending of new interval. Now I will check this condition. Ending e2 is what? New interval of 1 till ending is greater than equal to starting or starting of next interval. So arr of I of 0. Okay, I will write it like this. I should write it like this. Of 0, yes, starting of s1. See, it should greater than 8 was greater than this. Ending was 8. It was greater than 3. Okay, 8 was greater than 6. Okay, 8 was greater than 8. Equal to 8. Okay, 8 was greater than equal to 12. No, it is not. Okay, that's it. That's all we have to do. We had to do. So if this happens, just do this. New interval of 0. So we are modifying our new interval. Max of what? New. Okay, min. First we have to see what I said. We have to take minimum of this window. How to take this? I am telling you. Minimum of new interval of 0, comma arr of I of 0. Which one is a minimum? See, this is 4 and this is 3. Which one is minimum in them? Take that one. Okay. And again like this, I'm changing my interval of 1. This is max, max. Yes, new interval of 1 and new interval of I of 1. Which one is greater than them? Choose that. Perfect. So we have modified our, and suppose if I am intersecting at first position, this will not happen. This while loop will not run. Okay. So if that happens, we just need to write like this. And so this condition will not happen if we are intersecting at first position. So our new interval, new uh, result dot push underscore back new inter wait. Okay, like this. Okay, and now last part is, so I know this question is pretty long. I less than arr dot size. Now I just need to push rest of the array. Arr dot size, yes, and as a result, re result dot push underscore back. Okay, arr of I and I plus plus. Do I plus plus every time, otherwise you will fall in that time exceeded error. That is a very bad error, and that happens with us many times. Return result. And to use this max, I am importing that class that can give you an error. So hash include. You can include algorithm, or you can do something like this. Include uh, bits slash std cpp or plus plus dot h. Yes, and now you just have to write. You can leave it also, and you can write it as well. Name name. Writing this is a good thing. Std. Okay, so I think I have done it. Now I am also not sure that this code will run or not. Let's see. Result. Okay. Compile error. Include. Okay. incul. Oh, okay. Spelling is wrong. includ. includ. Include bits slash std plus plus. Okay, then everything is correct. Yes, this has done. And if I submit it, this will be submitted because this is a correct solution. See the basic difference. See, I can write the whole code in JavaScript as well, but that will take our memory. Okay, C++ code do not take that much memory. That's why it is good. So yeah, that is the question, and it is not that tough. Handling its case is tough as well. So okay, that's all my solution. Thank you so much for watching.